Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Karnataka Mahindra Agencies Hassan to have a look on the new Mahindra XUV 700 which is recently launched. This is how the key comes, the flip key with a new Mahindra logo. And here is the car which looks very stunning from the front because of the front aggressive grills and the very stylish DRLs. There are many variants available under MX and AX series, but this one is the AX7 luxury pack variant, which is the top model. At the front, it gets a new Mahindra logo, and under this you get a camera. They have given a very bold grills at the front, and this grill continues as a DRL like this, along with a floating turn indicator on both the sides. These are automatic headlamps and also have the auto booster option. Below you get a fog lamps. This XUV 700 is available in 5 color options like white, red, blue, black and silver. These are the automatic rain sensing wipers. There is some radar system implemented here for ADAS safety functionalities. Coming to the side profile, it gets 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Also there is 17-inch alloys and steel wheel options available. And all the 4 tires get disc brakes. Electrical adjustable side view mirrors, and under that there is a camera for 360-degree parking. Smart door handles. At the rear, it has arrowhead LED tail lamps with floating turn indicators. There is a Mahindra logo at the center and there is a camera provided here. Rear wipers, high mounted stop lamps. Here you get AX7L badging, reflectors. There are 2 reverse parking sensors. The spare wheel is provided at the bottom here. In coming to the overall dimensions, it is 4.7 meters in length, 1.7 meters in height, and has 200 mm of ground clearance. The side pillars have been treated with black glossy finish. At the top, there is a sunroof, which is actually known as a sky roof in this 700, along with roof rails and also a shark fin antenna. Here is the fuel lid, and it gets 60 liters of fuel tank. Coming to the boot space, it gets 90 liters of boot with all the rows up. And under this you get a tool kit. Now obviously you can increase the space by folding this last row seats. The last row seats get adjustable headrest and also can be reclined, but there is somewhat less space here. The last row also get cup holder and adjustable AC vent. Now let's get into the middle row seats. The door is very well finished. Gets a power window control here. And the chrome handles. You get a Sony speaker at the bottom, bottle holder and some space. So this car gets total 12 speakers with 445 watt Sony 3D surround sound system. The seats are of leatherette upholstery with 2 adjustable headrests and center armrest. They have provided 60-40 split seats with 1 touch tumble option. The rear passengers can accommodate very easily here because it gets a very good amount of legroom, knee room and also headroom. Almost it gets a very flat surface. At the center, here it gets some space with a USB charging port and 2 AC vents. So this is how the sky roof looks from inside. You can get a lot of air inside and also the light. There are LED lights and handlebars on both the sides. There is also the Boss mode available. You can completely slide the front seat to increase the legroom. This is how the front dashboard looks from here. Now let's get into the front seats. The front door gate, chrome handlebar, lamp at the bottom, bottle holder, speaker and a tweeter. Coming to the driver side, the door gets power window and ORVM controls, speaker at the bottom and a bottle holder. And these are the 6-way controls for driver seat adjustment with memory function. And also it has the welcome retract option that it slides back automatically when you open the door to get in easily. These are the pedals and these are the traction and hill descent control switch, AC vent with a chrome surround. The XUV700 is the first Indian vehicle with built-in Alexa, which can be used for voice-controlled entertainment, information and vehicle control. It has a soft touch dashboard with 20.5-inch dual HD screen, which looks very attractive and futuristic when compared to its rivals. At the center, it gets a sliding armrest. Inside this, there's a cooled storage box. There are 2 cup holders, infotainment controlling knob. There's an auto hold and electronic parking brake, and this is the automatic transmission knob. And these are the controls for hazard switch, camera and drive modes. And above it gets a dual zone fully automated temperature controlled air conditioning system, 2 AC vents and engine start stop button here. And this is the 10.25-inch Adrenox infotainment system, which supports lot of features like navigation, Alexa, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, radio and lot of other applications. This car gets different drive modes like zip for city drive, zap for extra power and zoom mode for full power. And there is also one more custom option that you can set according to your requirements. Coming to the safety features of this car, it has 7 airbags, ESP, blind view monitor, tire pressure monitoring system, reverse camera, hill hold assist, hill descent, traction control and also some personalized safety alerts. And also they have provided the 4 wide angle cameras for 360-degree surround view. So here there is a AC vent and a decent sized glove box. So this is a rear view mirror. They have not provided the auto dimming option in this. And sunglass holder. And these are the controls for lights. And the sunroof control. And there are speakers at the top. The steering really looks very sporty and attractive and has a new logo at the center. So it is an electric power steering wheel with telescopic and tilt adjustments. So on the right side you get instrument cluster and cruise control options. And towards the left there's a phone, volume, infotainment and voice controls. This is for wiper controls, and towards right for the headlight and indicator controls. Coming to the instrument cluster, it gets 10.25 inches complete LCD unit which shows lot of features like tire direction, tire pressure, tire temperature, vehicle information, navigation, speed, RPM, gear indicator and drive modes. You can also customize the theme according to your requirements. This Mahindra XUV700 also has the ADAS, which provides lot of advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, smart pilot assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, traffic signal recognition and also driver drowsiness detection. And this is how the blind view monitor works when you switch on the indicators on both the directions. Now let's have a look on the engine of this car. It has a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged Mahindra M Stallion petrol engine which delivers 197 horsepower and 380 Nm of torque. So this can give an approximate mileage of 11 kmpl with a 60 liters of fuel tank. And also there is a 2.2-liter diesel engine option available. So both the variants are available in 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmission option. This Mahindra XUV700 is available in both 7-seater and 5-seater options. Also you can opt for all-wheel drive. For that you have to pay 1,30,000 extra from the actual price. So the actual price of this car ranges from 16 lakhs to 27 lakhs on road Karnataka. So when compared with all its rivals, for its features, the design and the performance, whatever the Mahindra offering is actually a very good package. And one more proud thing about this car is it's creating a lot of national records being from its launch. So initially it did 25,000 bookings in just 57 minutes. And another recent national record has been done with 4 XUV 700s with a 4,000 kilometers in 24 hours challenge. So this was all about the new XUV 700. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any doubts, you can contact the Karnataka Mahindra agencies. The contact information will be provided in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you again in the next one.